Boys, I promise you this is fucked, mate. My hands are freezing. What the fuck has happened, bro? What the fuck has happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yep, your eyes aren't playing tricks. It's me again. We're back in the Peak District. We're going up to the top of Kinder Scout this time. And the main reason I wanted to get out, I've got a busy weekend to be honest, but I wanted to get out because I've got a new flipping tent, boys. I want to try out this new tent I've got. As well, we're taking a pretty cool route up. We're doing a little scramble, so this is going to be sick. I can't wait. I literally finished work about 3 hours ago. Drove straight up to the Peak District, and now we're hiking. So you can't get much better than that, really, can you? But yeah, the incline is back. Beautiful, and then we're gonna camp right there. It's a bit windy, you know, but it's fine. We've got the right PPE for today, and I'll whack the mic out in a minute if you can't hear me. Alright boys, as you can see, we've done like the length of the reservoir now, and now we're on the other side. And of course the sheep are about, and now we're just making our way to the bottom of the scramble. So I'm hoping this wind thing makes you hear me, but yeah, I'll probably catch you when we get to the scramble. It's flipping windy. Alright, the hat had to come on, boys, because the wind's killing my ears, man. It's a pretty nice walk, to be fair. Like, it's really peaceful. I saw some other wild campers earlier. Yeah, this is nice, man. Like, a few hours ago I was at work in an office. Now just out in the hills, man. It's pretty flipping relaxing, boys. Oh yeah, I can't lie, yeah, look at the sun, man. Oh my god. Like, it's pretty cloudy. It's supposed to be clear tomorrow, but oh, okay, I'm a little bit excited now, you know what I mean? Now I'm like a little bit into the hike. I got all giddy a little bit. But yeah, Friday might be the fucking meta going forward, like straight from work. And then I can just go and camp the night, because it's like lighter nights now, you know what I mean? Like, I've probably got what, like still 2-3 hours of sunlight left. Right then, how are you expecting me to cross here then, mate? Okay, so the options are either across here, yeah, which if I fall over I'm pretty cooked, man, or up there. It's gonna have to be here, innit? Holy shit, this is slippy and all. Okay. Oh shit, boys, we're in the river. Shit. Oh. Okay, well at least we're still alive and dry. Oh, okay, this is the scramble, I think, up here. Now, it doesn't look that steep, but about here it's really steep. I've done this before and it was sick, man. It was my first solo wild camp. Really, really good scramble. I think it's classed as a grade 1 scramble, but I did it as my first scramble and it was fine, man. Alright, man, this isn't much of a path, is it? Fucking hell. I have to go down here. Oh, what? Okay, I see my path. Bang, 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 bang. Just gonna have to traverse this shit. Oh, shit, man. Alright, feet soaking. Alright, mission, get across the river without falling over now. Oh my god. Bang! Oh, slipped again. Nearly a disaster. Oh, we're fine, just a wet foot. Okay, boys, as you can see behind me, waterfall, river, nice scenery. We're at the start of the scramble, so we're gonna have a little water break, And then I'm gonna get the backpack strap. Yeah, we're back strapping it and we're going up the scramble. It looks pretty sick, to be honest. I'm excited, man. So let's get this agua down me and hasta pronto. Okay, I think it's gonna start raining in a sec as well. I think it is raining. Fuck, it looks like it's raining, but I can't see. It looks like it's raining, but I can't see. What am I on about? It looks like it's raining, but I can't feel it. All of a sudden, it's just got really grey. That's, oh, what's the word? Pathetic fallacy. Oh, I didn't get a 5 in English language for no reason, boys. But maybe this is foreshadowing the journey we're about to go on up this scramble. And then at the top, it's just gonna open up, sunshine, swimming pool, new tent. Okay, let's go actually. Oh, yeah, this tent as well, if you saw my Instagram, I set it up in my living room. Oh my God, it looks sick. I'm loving it. But yeah, we're testing it out today. Okay, and we're off, boys. You know the drill. First person mode again. Boys, just look at this. Are you crazy? That is beautiful. Oh my God, man. Hidden waterfall, you wouldn't even know it's here, bro. So sick. Look at the colour of that rock, bro. That's pretty cool. Limestone. Oh. Okay, so we've still got to get up that bit. That bit's the steepest there. Right, I don't know if you can see that. That is fucked, mate. Oh my God. Whole flipping, like up to ankle, when in mud, bro. Shit, man. Gotta be careful here. Gotta tread very carefully. No! Oh my. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Oh my fucking God. No. Right, my foot is soaking. Soaking. This is fucked. As I'm saying that as well. Jesus Christ, man. Look, what am I doing? Why am I going around this way? Like, this is just stupid. Up here, now. Oh. Right, that foot is out of action. Okay, this is what I signed up for. No complaining. Okay. Look, I don't know where to step because I could just go straight through the ground. No. Retreat. Nah. Fuck sake. This is stupid. Look at the trench I've left. I'm being an idiot here. I've got diarrhea all over my hand now. I don't even know where to go, I'm stuck. I'm gonna call mountain rescue, I think. Look at that, mate. Whole hand went in the mud. Let's keep going. Clean my boots. Might as well, innit? I've got all bits in my shoe as well now. Okay, shit's getting serious now. Gloves are coming on. Okay, how are you supposed to get gloves on then when you're fucking cold and wet, bro? Isn't that the point of owning gloves? Oh my God, this is doing my head in. Let's go. Come on. Oh, bog again. I'm done with this terrain, bro. No. This is wearing me out. Yo, what's that? Hello, Mr. Chicken. Little chicken there, guys. That's sick. Hey, look, can you see that? Just here. He's climbing up. Okay, we've made it to the rocks. Oh, that looks slippy though. But to be honest, I'd rather the water be visible than in the fucking mud, you know what I mean? At least we got a chance then. Look how steep this looks though. Oh, waterfall. Pretty cool. This is what you want, man. This is so peaceful. Stream, climbing, and then look at that view down the valley. So nice. Shit, this is sick. Literally having to climb now. Holy shit. That was basically a dip with 15 kilo, mate. Weighted dips coming in handy. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? That foot is literally soaked through. That was probably the stupidest. Oh my God. Nah, I need to sit down for a sec. That's probably the stupidest decision I've ever made. I knew I wouldn't be able to grip on that rock. That was so stupid. This shoe is filled with water. Oh my God. 1 second, just gotta fucking deal with my actions. Okay, let's proceed. This foot is soaking. I think I might be on the wrong side here because there's nowhere to go. I still can't get over I fucking did that, man. I knew that literal scene played in my head, me slipping down the rock and falling in the river. But at least it was fresh. I've got to be a bit more careful, I think. Okay, look, I was about to fucking jump again. Why am I doing this, man? Tell you what, it's sketchy doing this with a 15 kg backpack. Might even be heavy, I've never weighed it. Whew, look at that. Started from all the way around there. See, there's a reservoir. I went. Map's pretty big, innit, man? Damn. Oh, Mumsy messaged. Are you there? Just let her know. Alright, mate, I'm just like halfway up the scramble right now. These are the views, and I'm like climbing up these rocks. Shit, I don't know if you can see. That is Mermaid's Pool, where we camped last time, boys. Last stretch now, guys. This is the top, I think. Not too sure. Alright, I just went off path a little bit, but what the hell am I looking at? Is that heaven or something over there? I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the sun's like beaming through the clouds. Looks majestic. Okay, so we're here, yeah? Kinder Downfall is just there. The top is just up there. And I'm debating whether to camp like at this height or to go to the top. I'm not too sure. Okay, I'm gonna change my battery because that's about to run out, but I'm gonna go to the top, I think, because I presume if the sun's setting over there, that means the sun will rise over there. That might be stupid, actually, but I'm just gonna go to the top. Might see a sunrise or something in it. Oh, what's up with this poo-coloured water, man? Okay, we're nearly there though. My hands are freezing. Now, imagine this was icy, this would be so slippy. You'd slip all the way down, bro. Whew. Vamos! Wow. Oh yeah, I love these sorts of hikes. Ones that are like a little bit challenging. I want to do some like ridges as well. You know, like Stride and Edge or Grib Gach. We made it, boys. Whew. And I swear I just felt fucking snow. It was on the forecast. I ain't dealing with that shit, man. Let's go and get the tent up. So, this is the stream we basically like scrambled up. And it went down there. Yeah, look, you see, it just goes down there and all the way down there. All right, boys, I think we found the spot just there. It's fucking windy though. Let's get down. Look at this, mate, little cave. It's pretty perfect. Oh, hello. Hello, don't mind if I do, just here, I reckon. Perfect. Boys, I'm sorry, yeah, the mic ain't fucking connecting and it's just started snowing, so I'm gonna have to just fucking put the tent up without audio. Look, it just started fucking snowing, bro. So I'm just gonna set you up and we'll set the tent up, man. Look, man, it's snowing. What the fuck? Holy, yeah, this fucking thing ain't connecting. Pissing me off. No. Fuck's sake, man. Oh, alright, I'm putting the fucking camera down. This shit's pissing me off. Nah, this ain't working. Alright, boys, I'm literally just gonna have to put the tent up because I'm getting freezing cold frost. Boys, I promise you, this is fucked, mate. My hands are freezing. What the fuck has happened, bro? What the fuck has happened? Oh my god. I can't feel my hands. Okay, new tent, gotta get this up quick, man. This is fucked, man. I've set it up wrong, for fuck's sake. Come on, man. Okay guys, let me just get myself sorted because like genuinely I'm a little bit fucked here, so give me 2 secs. I've set my tent up like botched, like I need to go back out there and set the guy lines up and shit because this is fucked. Like I don't know, fucking hell man, look. Snowstorm, bro, what the fucking hell. I need to sort all my shit out because shit's getting wet, shit's getting snowed on. Oh my god, this is not ideal. Ah yeah, that's pretty alright, innit? Fucking hell, man. This is fucked, boys. This is fucked. Holy shit. I cannot believe it turned like that. That was honestly probably top 3. I'm thinking top 1, but I don't know, like off the top of my head. Like, that's probably top 1 lock-in moment. I had to just fucking lock in there because I thought I was gonna die. Holy shit, man. Fucking hell. I need to sort this shit out. I don't know where to put everything. Like, a lot of things are wet and they can't come inside, you know what I mean? I've learnt some lessons from this. Number 1, yeah. when you pack your fucking tent down, make sure all the doors are closed, because when I was setting it up, so much fucking snow come inside, and oh my god, like just look, like there's snow everywhere, bro. Number 2, yeah, I should have just pitched it properly. Do you know what I mean? Like you live and you learn, don't you? But like I'm not sure how I'm gonna cook, because like the wind's coming out, the wind's coming at the vestibule, so like I've got no space to fucking cook. What else? What flipping else? Yeah, I just didn't expect all this snow. Like, boys, it's literally crazy, absolutely crazy. But at least I'm in the tent now, and I need to go out at some point to set the guy ropes up, because boys, it's getting pretty windy, you know, and like I don't know if it's gonna hold up. I don't know if it's gonna hold up yet, but all I've got on my mind is how I'm gonna cook food, because I can't really open this door. Now there's no ventilation at the top in this tent, but there are windows, little windows. Will that do? Like, I'm not trying to die of carbon monoxide poisoning, you know what I mean? Just for some mince and rice. Yeah, no steak today, guys. I've got mince and rice and cheese and honey. It's gonna be fire. But I need to know how to cook it. Like, I kind of need this snow to fuck off, actually. Okay, I probably put some clips in, like, when I was putting my tent up, but genuinely I was getting stressed out my head. Like, I never normally get stressed. And I'm saying stressed as in like rage mode, like you can't think of anything else, you know what I mean? When I was setting this tent up, yeah, oh, my hands, I've never felt my hands that cold. I was getting stressed. Now I think about it, yeah, I did check the weather earlier at work, and it said it was going down to -10 wind chill. That, oh my god, you know what fucking started it as well? My mic wouldn't connect to my camera, so I swear to god, I probably spent about 10 minutes trying to get my mic connected to my camera. Don't know where my mic's gone now. I spent about 10 minutes trying to connect my mic to the camera, and it weren't fucking working. And like, I was just rage mode, because if I just started setting my tent up and not tried to connect the mic, I probably would have been I probably would have set the tent up in like a good manner before the fucking snow started, and then all of this shit wouldn't be here, you know what I mean? Fucking hell. But like I said, you win some and you lose some, boys. Just make sure you learn from your mistakes, you know what I mean? It's my first time camping in snow. I'm pretty excited, and now we've got to... So there's 2 things on my mind: food, because I'm hungry and cold, and making sure the tent's set up properly. Food will cheer me up, right? I'd like to think so. Okay guys, someone told me if this is a stupid idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. I've got no Wi-Fi connection and I'm starving, so I'm just going to cook here. I've opened that window, I've opened the bit at the top, and I've opened that window. So hopefully we have enough ventilation, but how else am I supposed to cook? I don't know. I'm just going to cook here. So what we've got: boil in the bag rice. Alfie, what about the microplastics? Do you think I'm in a position to care about the microplastics, mate? I'm trying to survive. Look at this. Yeah, it's probably about 10 inches of snow, mate. Microplastics, are you crazy? Sorry for shouting, but it's not the time, guys. It's not the fucking time, alright? Really isn't. And I can't cook when it's like this. I need it like this. How do I do that? What have I got to prop it up? Bag might be the matter. Back's killing, starving, cold, snowstorm. Okay, let me lock in, man. Okay guys, let's flip and get on with this dinner, because I don't even know what's happening anymore. Oh my god, I just want to have my dinner and watch Money Heist. Bro, fucking snow! In March, are you kidding, man? Fuck, man.
Okay guys, wish me luck, I'm just gonna go in for it.
Holy shit, it's like we've got fire in the tent. Can't lie, it fucking stinks. Boil the rice, then cook the mince, and then put them together in the pan, and then put cheese in, and then put honey in as well. Ooh! Hey, look at this, bro, it's bubbling. Come on. Okay, so the idea is you're supposed to boil it for 12 minutes and then let it sit for 2, and then it should be done, apparently. Okay guys, now to cook the mince. I don't know how well this is gonna cook, man. But we've got the rice there, I'm hoping it's cooked. Come on, this could be good, this could be good. Here's the mince we've gone with from Sainsbury's. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Woo! Woo! Cooking on gas, guys, literally, come on. Okay guys, mince is cooking. Rice is cooked, yeah, I just tried it, it's pretty nice. And then we're gonna, once this is cooked, we're gonna throw the rice in there, and cheese, and some honey. It's gonna be fire, mate. Okay guys, time to throw the rice in. See if we can do this one-handed. Oh, that's hot on my hand, mate. Damn, okay, okay. Oh my god. Parmigiano Reggiano. Holy fuck, I didn't realise it was that much cheese, man. Shit. Alright, let me mix this in. Okay boys, this is what we're working with. Right, I'm gonna scran this and watch some Money Heist. Back in a sec. Hello guys. So, I'm a little bit calmer now, to be honest. The snow's died down a bit. Oh, my dinner was really, really nice. I had some blueberries as well, if you must know. I now have a nice little drink, CBD. I haven't even opened it and I'm already feeling it. And we've got some nice dark chocolate. And we're watching Money Heist. So yeah, it's all a bit nice now. But I was panicking earlier. All of my shit's wet. Like my boots are soaked. I'm gonna have to put wet boots on tomorrow. But yeah, man, I'm just chilling. I need a piss, but I ain't going out in this, man. Are you mad? I don't know what to do about that. Holy shit, man. Fucking snowstorm out here. Are you crazy? What the hell? I'm quite happy with this tent, you know. I know I haven't set it up right because I was panicking, like setting it up earlier. But I'll show you it in the morning. And yeah, man, I'm kind of just chilling now. It's pretty cold in my sleeping bag. Yeah, that's about it, boys. Buenos dias. I just woke up, boys. It's like 6 AM. Oh my god, it's freezing, man. It's like 6 AM, it's freezing. And look at the fucking scenes, man. I cannot believe it snowed last night. Fucking crazy. Oh my god, it's cold. Alright, look boys, I'm cleaning my dishes. How outdoor boys does it? With a bit of ice. Nah, it should be illegal to go out there. It is freezing. I can't believe how cold, man. It's like, okay, I swear to God, yeah, I'm not even bullshitting now. I told you I was already stressing yesterday evening when I was setting my tent up. But like, genuinely, I went into fight or flight mode. Like, oh my God, man. Like my hands, like my little finger, yeah, on this left hand, after I'd set my tent up, I was like shaking like for the blood to get in my hand. like when I set my tent up in here, because I was like, I don't want it to have fucking frostbite, you know what I mean? And I've got no pinky finger. I cannot believe how quick the weather changed. Like, I know people always say it, like the weather on the mountains, like it's not predictable, you know what I mean? But boys, you saw it was pretty clear and like, I wouldn't say nice, but like I wasn't wearing gloves on the way up. I didn't really need to, you know what I mean? And then it changed to a flipping snowstorm in the matter of like 10 minutes, I'd say. But it's a new dawn, it's a new day, and I'm feeling good. Alright, let's make some coffee, shall we? This pan still has a bit of rice residue, like rice water residue, but I think it's fine. I think it'll add to the flavour. There we go. Also, that meal I had yesterday, just mince, rice, cheese, honey, was fire. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. It's a lovely morning, cold morning. We're having coffee. We're going to play some tunes in a sec. Life's good. Life's good, boys. I'm feeling like a little bit hangover from that CBD drink I had. Crazy, man. I don't often do shit like that, but that one knocked me out. Nah, honestly, I had a really good sleep. Like, probably like, I don't know, 6-7 hours. But like, genuinely, like, I did get like 6 or 7 hours sleep. I woke up like refreshed, you know what I mean? Not even to my alarm. Woke up like 6 a.m. just refreshed, man. Really, really nice sleep. You know what? We might get a bit fucking crazy as well and put some honey in the coffee. Ooh, that'd be nice. Just a little bit, yeah. I'm gonna do that, man. That's gonna be lovely. Also, I woke up today and I had a message on Instagram, and it was just someone saying like they found my YouTube channel and they think it's funny as fuck. And bro, like, it puts a smile on my face. So like, I'm glad you guys are enjoying this kind of content, you know what I mean? Because I'm actually really enjoying making it. Like, I only started this year, and I was just kind of like, fuck it, you know what I mean? Like, I like going outdoors, I like filming content, and I've just never filmed me going camping. So I was like, fuck it, I'll do it, because I do it on my own anyway. And it's just sick. Do you know what? In some way, it's a sort of meditation. Like, I am just like speaking to myself, but then like you guys are behind the screen as well. So it's kind of crazy. But yeah, like, I'm really enjoying it, guys. We've got some sick shit coming up. Fucking big love. I love all of you out there. Whoever's watching this video, yeah, I literally love you. Like, I genuinely love you. My honey's like frozen, so slow. A little bit, shall we? I feel what I feel, what I feel, what I'm feeling. In the sunshine. I wish you guys could feel what I'm feeling right now. Yesterday was I can't lie, it was pretty hard. And now, like, do you know what I mean? We're like warm, making a coffee, just put honey in our flipping coffee. Like, it's the little things, man. It really is the little things. Burn, it tastes burnt, bro. What the fuck? Weird air. Whew. Alright, guys, I'm just getting changed now into my wet trousers and wet boots. So we're gonna do that and then pack the tent up and shit, alright? Safe. Okay, guys, we're back in the tent because I'm just getting freezing every time I go out. I need to pack everything up inside first, I think, and then just do my tent with my gloves on maybe. I don't know. My feet are poking out though and they're getting freezing cold. Get inside, guys. This is a tough one, boys. I cannot lay. Wait, also, I don't know if my sleeping mat's going down in the middle of the night. Like, I don't remember it being this flat when I pumped it up and I'm sitting on it, you know what I mean? So I don't know if I've got a puncture somewhere. For God's sake, man. It's a good sleeping mat, this, so I like it. Okay, guys, now we're going to pack the tent away. Woo, chilly. Alright boys, we're back on the path now. Just saw another hiker as well. Like, it's pretty nice to see people after you haven't saw them for like 12 hours or some shit, you know what I mean? Sometimes I've been on camps before where I haven't saw a single person for like 30 hours. But we're just making our way now to Kinderlow, the trig point, and I'll catch up with you then, boys. Okay, I lost the path a little bit, so we're going up here. Pretty snowy, and my legs are tired, but the trig point's just up here, so let's go see. Here we go, thank you. You just point it at the thing. Get a little jump in there as well. Made it, boys, to the summit. Woo! Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Have a good day, guys. We were just walking back on the path now, boys, and still pretty foggy, but it's clearing, so we'll see if we get some views before we descend safe. Let's do a bit of free running. Oh, look how beautiful the scenery is. Wow. Pretty nice place, if I do say so myself. Now we're just walking through the sheep fields, going back to the car. Alright boys, we're going to end the video off there. That was a sick camp, a sick tent, sick spot. Really, really good trip in general, to be honest. Make sure you drop a follow because I'm trying to get a video out every week now, and we've got Scotland and Italy coming up. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay